So the project has hit a few snags. I've got a little bit of an issue with the pickups. Well, more than one issue, actually. So the first reason is I realised they are too deep for the body. So I've had to go back and modify the body, which was very messy. Once I've put the shielding back on, it will look okay, but it was pretty horrific. Also, the problem with the pickups is that they're not all reliable. So I have a middle pickup, which is perfect. It hum cancels, it works great, it's fine, it sounds nice. I've got a neck pickup, which is, after having had to mess around with the wiring, it was wired incorrectly. Now I've managed to fix that. Now it hum cancels, but is out of phase with the middle pickup. Instead of being 4 wires plus a shield around it, it's 4 wires. One of them is the shield. So I don't know what I'm doing exactly, but I'm unable, no matter what order I've put these wires in, to get the pickup to be both hum cancelling and in phase with the other pickup. What I had to do was order some 4-core plus shield wire. I changed all the wiring thinking that would probably solve the issue. I could find the right polarity, tie the right coil together per pickup, get the phase sorted out. And to a degree that's worked. But because I don't want to spend a lot of time after I've soldered the boost board into the guitar, I don't want to keep taking the pick guard off to change this and test that. And I've decided not to use them for now. I've got 3 of them that I've managed to get working okay. And I've got them in another guitar, passive guitar, no active boost or anything. And I'm just testing them out. I've actually managed to get together another set of pickups, which I'm still waiting to arrive, and they are Entwistle noiseless pickups. They are, I think they're Artec made. I've used one of those before and it works really well, so I'm more confident that these will drop in, they'll all be in phase with each other, they'll all cancel hum okay, and regardless of how they sound, that's another issue later on. I can decide if I like them or not. So that's where we're at. So the next video you'll see will be the finished guitar. So far, here's just a little recap of what I've been doing with the internals of the guitar. So we continue. I'm waiting for a single ply black back plate, but this one I'll show for demonstration purposes. So this one, the black one, will be shielded. And then this bit of foam will stick onto the plastic cover that will be going over this. And when the back plate goes on, that will all be compressed, not tightly, but it will just be enough to stop this moving around at all inside. So it'll be insulated and it will be anchored. So I don't have quite enough length of wire. So basically they all reach where they've got to go, but I just want a little bit more slack on all of them. I'll probably add about 1 inch, just so I've got a little bit more room to lift the pick guard up. So here we go. The output of the switch goes to the TBX pot, and then from the TBX pot, it goes into the first stage of the preamp circuit, which is clean gain. Once it comes out from that stage, it goes to the volume pot, and that's on the green cable. This one goes into the volume pot, the 50K volume pot. Then there's a wire coming out of the volume pot to the boost pot. So the boost control, which is actually a blend between just stage 1 by itself or stage 1 plus the mid boost, goes into the circuit board on the purple wire. And once it comes out of the mid boost circuit, back into the boost pot again. And then from the boost pot, it goes out to the jack. I may have got some of that wrong. Right, so now I'm extending some of the wires. For now, I'm going to extend the yellow, the black, and the green wires coming out the board. The other 2 are about 1 inch longer, the purple and the brown. They might be long enough